Hi guys. Okay, so to kind of help with the glitches that have been happening and the cutting in and out for something, we're just going to try a video one for today. So I'm on Canvas. I'm going to kind of walk you through what the expectation is and what we're doing today. I will also set up my GoGuardian and I will activate that chat. So if you have problems or you need some help with something, send me a message through there and I will be getting back and forth with you. So in my virtual classroom here on Canvas, I'm going to go to Modules. Then I'm going to go to our week. And all of these, remember, anything that is highlighted in blue is our hyperlink. So I'm going to come to Thursday. This is what we're going to do. The first thing that we're going to do is our discussion board. Something that was hard, something that was once hard, but it is now easy. So something that I came up with for that was learning how to ride a bike. That was something that was super hard, and now I can just do it. Same thing for tumbling. It's hard to start with, but once you get it, and kind of sticks with you. So those were some of my things that I was thinking about. I need you to find 3 more. After you submit that response, then you're going to take a look at what your classmates said. And then if you come back over, you can always click on Home, or you can click straight to Modules. So that's the first thing that you need to do. The second thing that we're going to do is we're going to take a little pre-test. It is 8 questions. I'm not going to show that to you. It'll pop up right for you. If you have problems with it, let me know. But it'll pop up for you, and then you should be able to hit the submit button. And it is not for a grade. I just want to see what you think. Then you're going to watch this first video, and it's an EdPuzzle. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. So we're going to go in order today. So you're going to watch the video. If you load it here, it'll load here, and you can play on there, and then you don't have to hit submit or anything from that, my understanding. Hopefully that works. Then you're going to copy and paste this part. It says reflect on your own school career. Are you more like Anne or are you more like Jay? And explain and give me an example in your own life. What I would highly recommend is that if you create your own Google Doc for it, type out your response there and then just copy and paste that into the text box that you should see from here. So that's how you're going to do that one. Then you're going to come back here to Modules, and then we're going to go to the second EdPuzzle video. Watch that, see what happens. So go to that second EdPuzzle video. It's going to be the same thing. I'm going to ask you some questions over it. So here are those questions. There's that helpful tip for you to go and create your own Google Doc and then copy and paste that into our assignment. You're going to define what growth mindset is in your own words, and you're going to name 2 things that you can do to start moving towards having a growth mindset. Make sure that you are in complete sentences. Then the very last thing that you have to do, if you did not finish your life in numbers from yesterday, is this mindset reflection. So it is, again, kind of like it's set up in a quiz on here. It's not a quiz. It's just to see what you can come up with. You're going to sort some sentences into specific categories. And that's it. That's all we are doing today. Again, if you need me, please go on to GoGuardian. I will be there for you. If that doesn't work for you and something's messing up, send me an email. I will be looking at that. I will be helping you out. I've got your back. You ready? Here we go.